Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set accessibility button shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Here in accessibility, okay, go to advanced settings. Here in advanced settings, okay, you can see the accessibility shortcut section. Okay, you can see here the accessibility button. And the accessibility button is none. To set the accessibility button, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see here the all accessibility button. And okay, so for my example, I choose the color inversion. If you choose the accessibility button, you can see below on the lower right side on your screen the human icon. And okay, if you tap this, okay, the accessibility button you select is activated. And okay, so if you tap again the human icon, the accessibility button is deactivated. And okay, also you can choose another one. So for my example, I choose the color correction. And I have two accessibility button enable on this accessibility button shortcut. If you tap the human icon, the pop-up are show and you can see the accessibility button you select. So you can see the color inversion and the color correction. And for my example, I choose the color inversion. Okay, so okay, the color inversion is activated. And okay guys, so if you tap again the human icon and the pop-up are show again, and you can see the option again, and you can tap the color inversion to turn off or deactivated the color inversion accessibility button. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, you can see here the accessibility button is set into color inversion and color correction. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the accessibility button shortcut on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.